Deep in a misty rainforest, a single glowing frog lights the chorus, guiding a swarm of nocturnal insects into a silver dance. Above, fireflies flicker in synchronized spirals while rain falls in ribbons, turning the leaves into emerald mirrors for a moment. In a distant canyon, a sudden wind reveals a wall of dust that glows amber as sunlight threads through it. A glacier creek calves, and the spray refracts light into tiny rainbows that drift like pearls across sunlit ice. Moments later, the forest falls silent, leaving viewers with a memory of nature's quiet bravado and impossible beauty.